is 2x square plus 3y square equal to 11. Listen, find the tangent and normals at the point whose ordinate is 1. Given one coordinate, ordinate is 1. So y value clearly 1. So substitute y value 1, then calculate x value. Not given the complete point, only given y coordinate is 1. Using that y equal to 1, first calculate x values. Right. Put 2x square plus 3 equal to 11. 2x square equal to 11 minus 3. 2x square equal to 8. 2 table, 4 times cancel. X value root 4 plus or minus 2. Therefore, required points are P 2, 1 and Q minus 2, 1. Next, first case 1. Calculate tangent and normal at P point. At Q point is your homework. Right. Equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent at P 2, 1, that is x1, y1. 2 into x1, 3 into y1 equal to 11. 2x into 2, 3y into 1 equal to 11. 4x plus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. Next, given ellipse is 2x square plus 3y square equal to 11. Divide with 11. 2x square by 11, 3y square by 11, 11 by 11. X square by 11 by 2, y square by 11 by 3 equal to 1. So a square value 11 by 2, b square value 11 by 3. Therefore, equation of the equation of the normal is, take the formula, a square a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 equal to a square minus b square 11 by 2 x by x1 value 2 minus b square value 11 by 3 y by y1 value 1 equal to 11 by 2 minus 11 by 3 11 x by 4 11 y by 3 11 by 2 minus 11 by 3 11 cancel 12 LCM 3x minus 4y 6 LCM 3 minus 2 that is 1 by 6. Sixth table 2 times cancel. By cross multiplication 3x minus 4y equal to 2. Three x minus 4y equal to 2. Second problem. Find the condition. Write the answer. Given ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Given tangent line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Write in the order. Cos alpha into x plus sin alpha into y minus p equal to 0. Lx plus my plus m equal to 0. Listen. This is the given ellipse. This is the given tangent line. Find the tangent condition. What is the tangent condition? Listen. A square, L square, B square, M square equal to N square. This is the most important formula. A square L square plus B square M square equal to M square. Listen. Tangent condition. Listen. Tangent condition. In the circle R equal to D. In the parabola Ln equal to AM square. In the ellipse this one. In the hyperbola only replace B square only replace b square with minus b square. A square L square minus b square M square equal to M square. That is the tangent condition in the hyperbola. All more problems are similar, but conditions are different. So this is the tangent condition. Apply the values. A square value A square, L value cos alpha, so cos square alpha, b square is b square, M square alpha sin square alpha equal to M square minus p whole square. That is the condition. Note down. Condition is A square L square plus b square M square equal to M square. A square cos square alpha, b square sin square alpha, where n value minus p whole square equal to p square. Next, VSIQ 2x square plus y square equal to 8. Divide with 8. 2x square by 8, y square by 8, 8 by 8, x square by 4, x square by 4, y square by 8 equal to 1. A square value 4, b square value 8. Given line is x minus 2y equal to 4. See on the board. This is the given ellipse. Find the equation of the tangent. This tangent line is parallel to x minus 2y equal to 4 line. We want this tangent equation. This tangent line is parallel to this line. So these two are the parallel lines. So x value same, y value same, plus constant equal to 0. This two line touches the ellipse. So we apply the tangent condition, then we calculate k value. Tangent condition a square L square plus b square M square equal to M square. We apply this formula, we calculate k value. Write down. That is parallel tangent is x minus 2y. Parallel tangent is x minus 2y plus k equal to 0. Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. L value 1, M value minus 2, N value K, N value K. Therefore, tangent condition is A square L square plus B square M square equal to N square. N square. A square value 4. L square value 1 square. B square value 8. M square value minus 2 whole square equal to N square value K square 4 plus 32 equal to K square. K square value 36. K value plus or minus 6. X minus 2y plus or minus 6 equal to 0.